Hello and welcome to DragonHack. Woo! The time has come to once again. The time has come once again for the biggest hackathon in Slovenia. Now you've had a whole year of quarantine with almost no social interactions to practice. Though I guess that can be said for every year for hackers. it's just a joke, just a joke. I'm kidding. Please don't hack me. So I'm Sashos today. I'm your host, and my qualifications for hosting a hacking marathon are: I have glasses and a keyboard. And if there would be a hacker in a Slovenian action movie, this poor man Seth Rogen would absolutely play him. Anyway, this is the seventh dragon hack in a row, the magical number 7. There are 7 dwarves living with Snow White, there are 7 deadly sins, and 7 Harry Potter books, and now there are 7 dragon hacks. This is the second one in a row that is online. And although I know this is not comparable to the experience of the live dragon hack event, but the organizers still worked day and night to bring you the best experience possible. So welcome hackers, welcome one and all. Let's have an amazing weekend. So let's get the most important things out of the way and then let you go on your merry hacking way. Firstly, to say thanks for the 7 years of having fun with us and supporting us, one lucky attendee will get a PS5. Now, I know some of you were like, oh, how do I get it? I'm going to tell you right now. Listen carefully. You have to join Slido and participate in our quizzes. We will have a draw tomorrow at the closing ceremony, and to be included in the draw, you have to answer at least 70% of the Slido questions. Your team has to submit a project at the end, and you have to send some money to my PayPal. No, this is not. I'm kidding. So do it right now. Download Slido and answer the questions. Take out your phones and open our first quiz, and be sure to use your real name and your real last name so we know who you are when you're answering. So I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds to join Slido so that you can participate in the draw for the PlayStation 5. Okay? So the first, if you already did that, if you open Slido, there should be the first question right there. And the first question, of course, is, do you want to win a PlayStation 5? The possible answers are yes, no, gimme, and see for our international friends. So, this is the first question. During the whole ceremony, there will be additional questions only on Slido. I won't read all the questions, so you need to have the phone open and with you during this whole ceremony. And now, I hope you've done that, and I wish you good luck, good sir. So, back to the main reason you are here, to compete at DragonHack. The idea of DragonHack is to have fun and have an inviting environment to create crazy ideas. Now, you want to make a screaming alarm clock that has to be shot with a gun to stop beeping? No problem, you can do that. There are no limits to what you can do. The crazier, the better. There should be some limits, I think. Maybe just some general guidelines, like don't create things that make the world a worse place. But this is just my idea. Maybe that. But otherwise, go crazy. There are no limits. Now, even if it doesn't work at the end, don't be scared to submit your project, okay? It still counts. And now let's look at some numbers for this year. This year we have more than 150 attendees, split into 40 teams with 21 different prizes to win and 16 awesome partners who help us make this Dragon Hack a reality. Now, if you've joined Slido, there should be a second question to answer right about now. So you do that. While I thank our partners who you can't have a good event without good partners, an awesome event without awesome partners. So thank you to our partners: Adacta, Haiku, Synergize, Celtra, Epilogue, Outfit 7, Equal Eyes, Lean IX, Result, Oryx Gaming, Sport Radar, Zemanta, Geni, Medius, and the Free Student Council, which sounds like something from Lord of the Rings. Okay, so let's go over the important rules. You have to start from scratch, okay? And you have until Sunday at 12, so noon, Sunday noon, to submit your hack. You'll have to submit a 2-minute long video about your project and a link to your code. There is no limit on how many challenges you compete for. Okay? The top 3 winners of DragonHack will be determined by 3 judges that will be looking for creative, innovative, and technically complex solutions. And most important rule of all, have fun, you guys, okay? And girls, hackathons are about having the freedom to create something you're proud of while having fun, okay? So, we have a lot of things on our schedule. On Sunday at 2, the best 5 teams will be presenting their project live, but there is a catch. The teams will not be informed ahead of time, so all teams need to be ready to pitch and answer the judges' questions. Okay, and there, of course, will be an award ceremony that will be held on Wednesday, 26th of May at 2 p.m. at the wonderful Botanic Gardens in Ljubljana. Now, if you have Slido, there's another question right here. And now listen closely. And be sure to check Slido, because now our partners will present their challenges and prizes. And during this presentation, you will also get Slido questions for each partner. So if you want that PlayStation 5, or maybe you're just really competitive, have that Slido ready, and be sure to listen carefully to the words of our partners.
Hey guys, I'm really happy to welcome you to DragonHack in the name of Synergize. Some of you might already know us from the previous years, and since DragonHack is always fun to be at, we are among the supporters again. We are looking forward to getting to know you during this weekend, and there will be quite a lot of opportunities to get in touch. Since everything in our company turns around geographical informational systems, I guess it doesn't come really as a surprise that also our DragonHack challenge is connected with geospatial data. We are developing large-scale GIS software and cloud GIS solutions, and our Copernicus award-winning Sentinel Hub, Cloud API for satellite imagery, is something you can easily work with, and I mean not just for the purpose of our challenge. Sentinel Hub is our API that makes getting satellite images and other data captured by sensors on satellites really easy. You can easily acquire data from last days, for example, or months, or even several years ago. It also provides a way to make different custom visualizations, and with all that in mind, one can do all sorts of things. You can use images just like Google Maps does and make nice digital Earth. You can create your own app for monitoring changes on the Earth's surface, make visualization of natural disasters, or for educational purposes. Options are almost endless. So I would like to invite you to our challenge Best Earth Observation Hack, and for an easy start, do join our workshop Tackle Petabytes of Satellite Data with only 6 lines of code. It's really easy actually. Matic, one of our data scientists working with machine learning, would say it's like juggling with a huge amount of geospatial data. So join him and Giga, our front-end developer, at our workshop, where they will explain more about Sentinel Hub and all about these endless options which I'm talking about. And if you're still asking yourself what's in there for you, well, participate in our challenge and get a chance to work with a state-of-the-art service for Earth observation data and explore the amazing satellite imagery. Besides, you can also win latest GoPro cameras for each of your team members and a 1-year subscription to our Sentinel Hub services worth 5,000 euros. I would also like to invite you to join our open chat room later today to learn more about the work of our developers and especially from their perspective. So see our Discord announcements for details. But like I said, join our challenge. Don't miss our workshop to learn more about Sentinel Hub and awesome satellite imagery which you can use in your hack. The workshop will be at 11:40. Join also our open chat room later in the afternoon and see you at mentor hours. Good luck with your hack.
Hi there, and welcome to Adacta. We are a leading software provider for the insurance industry. Our AdInsure platform empowers insurers of various focus and sizes to digitalize and transform their business. We don't want to brag, but I can say that we are working with some of the biggest insurance companies in Europe. Our international team is deployed in 6 different countries, in the offices hosting more than 300 extremely talented individuals. Now, while some say that talent is born, we believe it needs to be nurtured. And as a company, we are providing you all the support you need to fast-track your career. For starters, we have extensive experience and youthful spirit working side by side. Through our mentorship program, we are providing you constant feedback and empowering you to make your own decisions while achieving your goals. We have more language courses than we can count, Adacta Academy in place, and personalized educational program encouraging learning and growth mindset. Obviously, we have an amazing office view. Game room, top-notch equipment, 4-leg stress relievers, eco-friendly rides and an environmental policy in place, and option to work remotely, of course. Now, it all sounds great and shiny, but where do you fit in? If you find joy in crunching code, solving challenges, addressing architectural or IT problems, you might find a lot of like-minded individuals in our R&D, services, or Q&A team. DevOps team actually is a great place for those of you who like the combination of IT infrastructure and software development, while those of you who see themselves as the ones bridging the gap between customers and developers, you may opt for our business consultants team. And of course, all of you who would like to participate in building the growth and company's resilience, we have many open positions for you in our HR, marketing, sales, accounting, back office, and other teams. So, whatever you opt for, one piece of advice. Here in Adacta, we really appreciate 4 main things: trust, innovation, flexibility, and good old cup of joe. So now please, join me in the kitchen.
Hey everyone, I'm Uroš, one of your future DragonHack mentors and senior member of Adacta's R&D team. We're working in small, agile teams where you can find testers, developers, architects, and even some managers to spice things up. You might have heard about AdInsure. Well, our team did that. Developing and maintaining an insurance platform brings many exciting and complex challenges. Now for the tech wrap. Our AdInsure runs on a modern tech stack. Frontend is developed using Angular and TypeScript. For backend we use C#, .NET and JavaScript. AdInsure is also fully Dockerized and cloud deployable. Jan, you can take it from here.
You might have been wondering, how do they do it? The simple truth is together. Many of our great ideas and breakthroughs come from teamwork, passion for problem solving and new technologies. With a lot of projects comes great responsibility. For example, we need a lot of documentation for everyone working on Editure. We have to make sure we are constantly moving forward, improving the product and not returning to old issues. High-performing platform is a must, meaning no bugs allowed. We assume that potential issues with upgrades might make people rather unhappy and reluctant to change. This would also mean more versions to support. There are plenty more reasons to strive towards code quality, but how to actually achieve it? One might consider code reviews, continuous integration, unit integration, end-to-end tests, and static analysis.
And that's where you come in. Are you up for a challenge or two? Working together on a piece of code almost always brings up some issues, and code quality is definitely one of them. Learn to ensure it, and you might be looking at a cool new e-scooter in your garage. Yeah, prizes are great, but there's nothing like developers' praise. We will teach you how to spot edge cases that might slip your mind, but users instantly find, as well as make certain your code is optimal and production ready. We will make sure your changes won't mess up the code, so you'll be able to show off your creation with a great deal of confidence. What are we looking for? Some crazy fresh ideas, bold enough that they just might work. May the best code win.
Dear DragonHack participants, are you ready to meet the best company and team? Fasten your seatbelt and watch.
Hello and welcome to Haiku, a global leader in multi-cloud backup as a service company. Why is backing up data so important? And the way you back it up? Let's see through an example.
Hey Jason, what's up?
Boss, our server just crashed.
Where is backup?
It was on the server.
But our data should be uploaded to the cloud.
I know, but we couldn't find any cloud. It's sunny outside.
This cannot be real. We lost everything. Is there somebody who understands the cloud?
We understand the cloud. For more than 25 years, we're developing solutions for backing up data in public and private clouds. We saved many Jasons out there. And how do Haiku solutions look like? Haiku solutions are purpose-built for each of the cloud platforms and are designed to be simple, delivering a native experience with full application awareness. Behind the best backup solutions, there is a quite big team with a lot of different skills. But they are not only technical. We're actually very talented singers and dancers. But wait, that's not all. Teamwork is very important to us. Because together, we always find a way to think out of the box, especially when talking about having fun. As you can see, we work on the best backup solution and have a lot of fun at work. Want to know more about us? Come, explore our challenge at this year's DragonHack event. Win the awesome prize and hang out with us.
Hi, I'm Matic and I'm a Senior Director of Engineering at Saltra. Back when I was a student, I participated in DragonHack every year, and I actually won the very first challenge Saltra sponsored 6 years ago. This year we are sponsoring the Best UX Challenge. Participating really isn't that hard, just make sure you pay attention to the user experience. The best team gets to take home a set of Garmin smartwatches. During the event, you can always reach out to me, Svetlana, Andras, Nenad, Miran and Leia for code and UX related questions. Svetlana will also play another very important role. She'll be the UX related meme master. So if you're up for some laughs, come visit our Discord channel and rate her work. Saltra has always been mentoring students on their way to becoming experts. If you join us, you will be working alongside some of the best engineers in the field on solving hard tech challenges like real-time ad serving, data crunching, and video rendering at scale. That, paired with great compensation and the ability to work remotely, makes for a very compelling package. If any of this sounds good to you, come join us on Discord, where you will find links to open internship and full-time positions. Have fun!
Hello. Hello.
Have you ever misplaced something, a phone, a remote control, or headphones because they were not in the same place as usual? Yes, this probably happens to all of us, at home or in the office when we are not paying attention. This should, however, not happen in large warehouses or production facilities because the effect can be more severe.
I'm Ajay Chirin, head of KeySoft department, one of software development departments at Epilog. We help companies to have everything under control and in place in their warehouses or production facilities, and to always know where everything is and in what quantities. So, as the end customers, you can in the end always find store shelves full of goods and, for example, be able to buy beer from the largest Slovenian brewery or get a fresh yogurt. Without good information support in logistics, this, however, would not be possible. Our mission is therefore to help companies to optimize and to automate their logistical processes with our thoughtful, innovative and flexible information solutions. We develop them by relying on state-of-the-art software technologies, for example, web and cloud-based technologies, to design modern, scalable software applications, utilize machine learning, big data and advanced analytics to optimize logistical processes and workflows, and use visualization tools to provide real-time visibilities to the operators. And to do this, we talk different languages. We talk Java, we talk C, C++, JavaScript, and more, depending on the task at hand. And we are looking for new manpower to help us here. Those who would like to be part of a team working in the international environment and would like to see results of their work to make a real impact in the industry and in our lives. And I believe that can be you, bold, innovative and persistent Dragon Hackers. I wish you all a lot of creativity, perseverance and fun in the next 24 hours. Together with my colleagues, Irena, Danica, Gaspar and Jure, we will be following you in the Best Software Hack Challenge. We will be happy to answer any questions or give you advice on your challenge, and the best team in the end will be rewarded with electric skateboards. Why skateboards? Let's see that in the next few seconds when we open our Epilog doors and show you a glimpse of our team spirit. See you!
Kateri bo tvoj naslednji karierni korak? V Epilogu iz Slovenije osvajamo svet. Povezujemo se s programerji, razvojniki, sistemskimi analitiki in arhitekti širom Evrope. Vsi govorimo skupni jezik, programskega. Zato se razumemo tudi, če smo kilometre narazen. Kot del multinacionalke KNAP si delimo znanje, izkušnje in skupaj razvijamo IT rešitve, ki poganjajo naprave in robote v skladiščih 24 ur na dan. Vsak dan. Ker vse se začne z epilogom.
Hello everyone, from our LeanIX office in Ljubljana. Since our product is all about reducing waste of your SaaS applications, we'd like to invite you to our challenge, Best Carbon Footprint Reduction Hack. For the best team, we're offering JBL speakers and a round of go-karting for the whole team.
Hey, we are happy to see you here and give you some insight what it means to work as an engineer at LeanIX. Come with us. Your ideas for new tools or methodologies for improving our daily work will be met with an open ear and encouraged.
In our integration service, we had the chance to trial functional programming, which brings us robust codebase and awesome coding experience.
To improve the adoption of a design system, me and my team took the initiative and integrated Storybook into our monorepo for showcasing and developing our own component library.
By introducing the prettier formatter, we get rid of all the code style discussions.
In my team, we introduced web component-based microfrontends. This way, Our pull request now make it into production within less than 10 minutes.
LeanIX provides a space for you to quickly become an integral part of your team. Learn, discuss, and if you like, get engaged in meetups or hackathons.
With the help of pair programming, I was able to release code into production in my very first week at LeanIX.
Here at LeanIX, you get to have a high responsibility from the start by being involved in topics which will be later presented at our top self-hosted conference, EA Connect Days.
Pair programming is the key in our agile development process, even when working from home.
More coding, more releases, less exhausting meetings.
With all microservices running on Kubernetes cloud infrastructure and complete CI/CD pipeline setup, I can ship my code confidently and independently anytime with a single click.
I really like that we are running on the Azure cloud and that we also use other great tools like an autoscaled Kubernetes, an Istio service mesh, and Instana for our monitoring.
Regarding increments to be shipped to production, we believe that less is more. And I just love how I can have changes reviewed, packaged and delivered without getting stuck in analysis paralysis.
Our Focus Friday allows me to work on my stories without any interruptions. This helps me a lot in getting things done.
If you feel this sounds great, then look on our job offers and make your move to get in contact with us. We're happy to see you soon and to code with you.
Hi, my name is Adil and I'm an iOS developer at Equalize. I started my career here years ago as a mobile developer by initially starting with Android and later transitioning to iOS development. I remember quite well one of the first apps we built. It was simply called Cat Game. It was basically an app for tablets that had the ball slowly moving on the screen in random patterns, and it was meant for entertaining your pet pretty much. The app was hacked in a couple of days, and the funny thing is that it received more than 100,000 downloads and an average rating of 4.1 for what pretty much accumulated to a few days of work. Today we progressed significantly, and so is the market. Currently we are developing all kinds of interesting apps and ideas for many successful customers. At the moment I'm working on an app that helps kids sleep and meditate. It's called Moshi Twilight, and with our help, it reached more than 1 million downloads today. We're proud of our work at Equalize. We love to see people build exciting, smart, and fun apps. That's why our challenge today is quite simple. Build the most fun, usable, or interesting app. The more unique, the better. We believe in knowledge, so the winning team of our challenge will receive brand new Kindle so that you will be able to learn even more. We recently became part of an international blockchain giant, Nchain, and have offices in London, Switzerland, Ljubljana, and Maribor, and are growing fast. So if you're a student passionate about building mobile and web apps and is interested in a student job, come say hi later. Team Equalize wishes you an awesome and exciting hackathon, and good luck to everyone.
Are we ready? We need 5 more minutes.
We only have 5 more minutes.
We really need to hurry up.
Is our strategy ready?
Almost there.
Check and wait.
Hello, welcome to this year's DragonHack. It's great to see all of you returning hackers, but it's even better to see all the freshman students competing for the very first time. This is why the Student Council of Free offers a brand new Raspberry Pis for the best hack from a team with at least one freshman student. Good luck and happy hacking.
This is when the magic happens. When the play is made, the dart's thrown, the serve's hit, and the ball is kicked. Everything will change for millions of people around the world. It's in that moment, as our hopes soar, that we're all connected. By a love of the game, by the passion we share, and by the need to know what happens next. It's here, where sports and entertainment intersect, that SportRadar operates. We deliver essential sports data and audio-visual content, so that the sports experience is even more intense and interactive. Sports fans can anticipate and analyze based on our predictions and statistics. Clubs and federations can reach new audiences through innovative commercialization platforms and the compelling presentation of their sport. Sponsors can connect with fans at the critical moments before, during, and after the game. And bookmakers can receive services ranging from statistics and odds to fully managed outsourcing solutions. Solutions delivered by over 1,500 SportRadar employees in offices around the world, as well as a global network of highly trained data journalists who are closely monitored for quality. To grow our business dynamically along with an ever-expanding sports market. It's just part of our visionary business model that connects and provides services to media companies, sports betting operators, federations, and sponsors. It's where our sports data and audio-visual products seamlessly link with our financial betting service offerings and media services. With both our world-lead integrity services that help to detect and prevent match fixing and preserve the integrity of sports, and our rights holder solutions that provide cutting-edge technologies and services to unlock the full potential of data. It's this unique blend of raw data, marketing solutions, and digital sports advertising that turns innovation into value, enhances global brands, and connects us deeply with our partners. So, when the next kick changes lives, SportRadar makes it happen.
Hey there, Dragons. I'm Giga from Thread37. We're proud to be supporting DragonHack because we believe in building the next generation of software professionals through knowledge. We're an international consulting company with Swedish roots and with a mantra of constantly evolving ourselves. Knowledge is a funny thing. You can't touch it, you can't weigh it, or limit it by definitions. But nevertheless, it is something that determines a lot of our worth as modern professionals. So that's why we're going to reward the team that builds the best web app with a unique 1337 knowledge package, an invaluable investment in your future career. and Eva will tell you more about it.
The knowledge package consists of a tailored weekend mentorship, a Dragon Banga, happening this autumn at a private estate in Croatia. An all expenses covered weekend of seaside knowledge sharing and fun with our expert mentors. Each team member will also receive an annual subscription to a knowledge platform of choice, a couple of top books to become a great web developer, and an exclusive access to the heart of 1337, a direct channel dedicated to you and your team throughout 2021, where our experts will help on your growth journey. My colleague Kleiman will
be hosting a 30-minute web performance workshop at 12:20. We will dive into the rail performance model, look at some concrete pitfalls and solve them on the spot. And at 9:30 in the evening, we will also host a fun quiz with cool prizes, so bring your best trivia game on all the geek and tech stuff.
Join us in our Tridon 37 Discord channel because we would love to get to know you better or help you out during the day when you get stuck. And remember, if you get low on energy levels, reach out into your goodie bags and pull out a Dragon-themed energy drink. Good luck, and may the best team win.
Hi, and welcome to DragonHack. We are thrilled to be a part of this amazing event again. This year, you can join our most innovative hack and get the opportunity to learn more about how to scale your backend to handle such load and the design decisions behind such a data-intensive system. The winners will get Sony Bluetooth noise-cancelling headphones.
We will host a workshop where we will learn more about MapReduce and batch processing in general. MapReduce lets you process large amounts of data in parallel, and in this workshop, you'll write and test your own job as you would if you're working here at Zamanta. There will also be a challenge at the end with an awesome coffee machine waiting for the winner. Would you like to know more about Zamanta?
Hello, I'm Andras. About 14 years ago, together with Bostian, we've co-founded Zamanta. Look how far we've came. So, what do? We do high-performance advertising systems. Our systems respond to different requests from the internet about 1 million times per second, each second. If you want to know more about how that engineering is done, off to Davori.
We solve very complex problems and work on a huge scale. Every second, we participate in over 1 million auctions for advertising space, and we do it very efficiently. Our bidding process relies heavily on machine learning algorithms. Can you imagine that every second we make over 200 million predictions?
We build things that matter to our users. Engineers work closely with our product team to understand how customers use our product. This helps us make better decisions when building new features.
We are all about quality. We don't just want things done. We want them done right. We cannot imagine life without continuous integration, one-click automated deployments, code reviews, technical specs, architecture design reviews, and unit tests. We find beauty in simple and elegant solutions and flexible architectures.
We constantly try to improve. We share knowledge through internal weekly tech talks, postmortems, code reviews, blog posts, meetup talks, and go to the best engineering and data science conferences.
Besides solving very interesting and complex challenges, we also care about the well-being of our team. We work in a relaxed environment, offering high autonomy and responsibility, supporting you in your growth and development. If you'd like to learn more about us and our culture, feel free to find us in DragonHack event, where we'll be happily answering all of your questions.
develop games, backend systems, front-end system. It doesn't matter how much experience you have. It doesn't matter if you're a junior. You don't have to Google it. You have experts on every field.
The opportunity to grow is the biggest advantage that we can offer.
A junior came with an idea. He was the one to develop it, and 4 months later it's played by millions and millions. I think that's amazing.
This is something that I'm the most proud of.
Welcome to the next 2 days of hacking. We wish you an amazing hack. These are the awards, and we will see you at our amazing fun challenge, which is gonna be legendary.
Hey! So another big thanks to all of our partners. Once again, Adacta, Haiku, Synergize, Celtra, Epilogue, Outfit 7, Equal Eyes, Lean IX, Result, Oryx Gaming, Sport Radar, Triton 37, Zamanta, Guinea, Medios, and the Free Student Council. Now, I hope you got to know the partners of this year's DragonHack a bit better, and I hope you answered the questions in Slido. But if you have any kind of questions about the challenges, or if you want to pitch your ideas to someone, or if you're just interested in discussing career opportunities, hop on their Discord channels and get in touch with our partners. I'm sure they'll be happy to help you and answer any and all questions you may have. Now, we also have 3 main prizes for the first, second, and third place. Our jury selecting the winners are Andrej Škraba, Branko Šter, and Rok Capuder. The prizes for the 3 winning teams will include goodies such as board games, fun experiences such as axe throwing and Among Us real life, and also vouchers for Ihrana food delivery. The first place winners will also be receiving DragonHack hoodies, chocolate dragon eggs, DragonHack trophies, and eternal glory. You can't put a price on eternal glory. Now, we also have other additional mini challenges for you to compete at. So, one of the challenges is Meme Lord. You can share the funniest meme during the event at our hashtag memes channel and win yourself a waffle maker. I've always wanted a waffle maker. I will be in the meme challenge posting memes. The meme, of course, has to be related to DragonHack. So, we also have another challenge, Best Team Video Challenge. The team that will create the best team video during the event and share it with others on our Discord server will get a huge candy jar filled with sweets. I also want this, but my doctor is saying probably I should have. So if you want to get a huge candy jar filled with sweets, the video has to be posted until 6 p.m. today, 6 p.m. today. Another challenge is Best Social Media Post Challenge. A hacker that will share their experience at DragonHack on their social media channels, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever, will win a Red Bull mini fridge filled with Red Bulls. So, additional challenges, complete one, many, whatever, you might just get lucky. Now, let's meet our organizing team that has been creating DragonHack for 7 years in a row. As DragonHack is something they do in their free time, you can check out what they do also in real life. The founders and head organizers of DragonHack, Eva and Mateusz, also joined by Zala and Tinka. Woo! If this would be a live event, there would be a big applause. So I'm gonna, the crowd goes wild. Also, here joined by Masha, Doman, and newest member, Anna. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I'm sorry. There's just one man clapping, but you should be clapping in front of your screens right now. These people have been bringing DragonHack to your to Slovenia, to Ljubljana, to your lives for 7 years in a row. Now, we have a few important channels that you should know. Hashtag announcements is for important announcements. It's right on the nose, right there. Be sure to follow hashtag announcements for the most important event information and invitations to workshops. Hashtag event channel is where you can post your team video. So be sure to check these important channels. If you have any questions, just message DragonHack info on Discord. If you have questions about goodie bags, get in touch with DragonHack Goodies. And if you want to get food, use the food bot. Okay? Now, we have prepared plenty of fun events, mini challenges, and delicious food just for you. And we hope you will have an amazing weekend. Make sure to follow the announcements in hashtag announcement channel to be informed about everything. And there will be a team's captain meeting shortly after this ceremony where you will be able to ask any question your team has. Okay? Now, I feel like I've talked for long enough. I don't want to keep you hackers waiting. So, for now, hackers, have fun, enjoy, and let the hacking begin!